cute. I really like it. For some reason, this ended up being gold, and it's not gold. It's like a green. But my face, I like my face. My face is beat. The only thing is those Krylon sticks. I think I need to go one shade darker. I don't know. I feel like, what y'all think? What y'all think? Y'all think this is a good match? Classy but nasty. No, I'm getting classy vibes from this, and in the background, just making everything pops. I'm getting Valentine's Day vibes. I know y'all want to see how she just look, so yeah, let's keep on watching. The pink background up, y'all. I had to do a different background. We're gonna get into the eyebrows today. I did go ahead and take 24-hour brow setter, y'all. Let me go close. I took my 24-hour brow setter and I put this on my brows first. I'm gonna take some powder and we're going to powder these babies down. I do not like that way. I don't know. That way for me is because I just feel like I'll be ending up touching my face and like, ooh, on my nose and stuff, and everything to glide together. So we're just gonna try something different. These brows are finna be snatched, and I know it. I take a skin class, y'all. I really want to take a skin class to focus more on skin, because I feel like my skin class, I mean not my skin class, but my foundation and stuff, I think it's flawless, but I just feel like it sometimes I don't want full coverage every day. Shout out, I got a new phone, the 12 Pro Max. Girl, me just slayed these nails. Fire. Her name is Beauty by Courtney. Well, she changed, it was Face by Courtney, but it's Beauty by Courtney. But I want to try something like this today. This is so cute. It's the lips for me. It's the lips for me. Like, it's the my Anastasia 7B brow brush, chocolate and ebony. Take a little bit on the back. I mean, on my brush. I'm taking it on the back of my hand because I don't want too much. It makes the brows like real stiff, and sometimes people like that fluffy brow. You necessarily don't have to do that step. I took a numerous amounts of concealer and I'm just carving my brows out. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the top. Y'all, drag it down to my eyelids. To switch the top to my MAC 212 brush. I don't know, it's better for me to get that boxy look, and I love it. Alright, first of all, my eyebrows are snatched. Okay. The only thing is, now my eyebrows, now, see, one is going this way and then the other one is going up. That's because my natural eyebrow hair is in the front. So, ooh. I got this hydro, it's from Milk, but it's the hydro base. This is the grip primer, and then this one is a vegan moisturizer. So since my face is kind of dry, I am going to go in with this moisturizer to moisturize my face. Now, just dot this. I didn't put the back up. So I'm going to take my Krylon paint sticks. Okay, I have the shade, the colors V19, well no, okay, V14, V19, and V23. So I have one for contour, one for highlight. So I think 14 is the lightest one. So I'm gonna put this one in the middle. Spice rum. I'm gonna take the color of V19. And I am, oh snap. I don't know why it looks so light. I'm going to tap this out. Looks flawless though. But I'm gonna take a new Caledonia. It's dark. And I'm gonna put that towards the end. Now I feel like, okay, so I feel like when I first put it down, that was too light, but then I feel like new Caledonia on top of that made a perfect combination. So we're gonna see, y'all. But it looks like my color. However, I might have to go get a darker shade, like B21 or something like that, because B23 is dark. Alright, so I am going to still use a V14 for the highlight shade to highlight my face. Oh, okay. So I highlight in the middle part of my face to pack this out. Just like I said, I am going to go, when I'm pouncing it, y'all. I'm pouncing it, and I'm using the same brush. I was going to use something different, but no. Same brush. Flawless, baby. Rest of my face, I like those combinations. So now I'm going to highlight y'all. Too Faced. What am I saying? To my face. V23. Taking off my damn brown. Oh, there you go. Now blending this contour. And this is in the shade NW50, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with my bronzer and Phemon. I'm gonna just do that. That's it. Take number 4. Alright, I'll be back to apply the shadow. Going to the Heads and Cloud palette, and I am going to take color right here. We're going to apply this on the lid. This one is the Morphe 518 brush, and I'm going to go into it's just like, okay, girl. For one brush. For my cheeks. This is cute. So I just want those 3 colors. I will add yellow with something like this. Then I add some white in the center. I need to apply the shade with that brush nail. So I don't go all the way up. I take a blending brush and I just blend that area up. Yes, right there. That's that color. Gel liner. I had gel liner. I add black to, well, you don't have to, but in order for me to fix this part right here, I'm adding it. My jumbo pencil from NYX, and I'm gonna add this in the waterline. Color. So I'm gonna add this neon orange. Neon. Like a strip of that color. Okay. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild pencil. It's an eye coat though, but I'm using it for my lips. I don't want to overdraw it like that. I'm gonna add red. Feels so grand from MAC. Done. Now I got to, this is so pretty. Now I gotta go in with my Sienna top palette. And I'm going to grab just one. Makeupadditction. I'm like, why did I have to look at that? I know what it's from. And I'm gonna wet my brush. I'm looking for my other brush that I cannot find it. Up these lashes, and these are from Mitchell. I'll pop on my hair band after this tutorial. I first gotta see what they want. Okay, and I'll be right back. So much for tuning into this tutorial. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I hope that y'all enjoyed this look. Let me know if there's any other ways that y'all want me to do my makeup, like if y'all want me to do foundation and then do brows at the end. Oh my god, and do brows at the end. Like, oh, I can't, I just really get cringes right now thinking of how to do that. Like, no. Super fab, super cute. If y'all enjoyed, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.